Hi everyone, Rainy here, and I've decided I'm gonna go all the way. What do I mean by that? In the last video, I was asking you how big is too big for this houseboat I'm making. Actually, I guess it's not a houseboat, but the Chesapeake Bay Dead Rise with a full cabin. And I'm making it basically I was looking between 15 to 20% longer. And I decided to go with the 20%, so it's going to be, when it's all done, that and the 2-foot platform, say 32, right around 34 foot long. I asked advice in the last video of what you folks thought, and yeah, one of the concerns was, well, trailering, you know, I mean, if it gets too much, but the thing is, the length's not going to matter with trailering, whether it's 34 feet or 30 feet, it's still going to be the same width, which is 11 feet. So I have to have a permit anyway. But a few of you mentioned, and I agree 100%, is I think the last comment I had was, how much time are you going to spend with it on the water? Which is going to be a lot more than the amount of time I'm going to spend moving it from piece of water to piece of water, or in and out and all this. Makes a lot of sense. I mean, it's going to be a job to get it there anyway, but when I'm on the water, when we're doing the Great Loop, when we're going up and down the East Coast, and we want to spend maybe a week outside there in the harbor of New York City, my wife wants to get a lot of perfume. She needs time to shop. So when we're doing all these things, Boston Harbor, New York, Maryland, traveling all over, who knows where, I'm going to appreciate having the extra room. If nothing else, just to do some fishing. So we've decided, that's what I wanted to let you know, we've decided to go with the longer version. So what I have left, and I'm going to start doing today actually, is I have 3 frames left to do, and pretty much all 15 of them are done. I have 14 frames and the transom. So I got 3 frames left to do. I just got the wood for it yesterday. That's what we've been waiting for. My car went kaput. I think I told you I had trouble with the transom. It's been fixed. And that probably cost as much as it would cost me for the plywood. But anyways, it's been fixed. Get my wood here for the frames, and I'm going to start doing one today. Again, I can only do one a day because I have to glue it and screw it and wait for it to dry before I can move it off my table. So I want to thank you for all your help, for the advice. I really appreciate the advice that you give me. And I'm going to be asking a lot more as I go. As a matter of fact, this morning I emailed a few people on, how thick I need to make the transom. And I've got all kinds of questions as I go. So I appreciate your help. Thank you. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye now.